If you have a house in West Chester, Ohio, and you want to sell fast, easy, conveniently, and for a fair price, then this video is for you. My name is Dave Perichin, and for over 14 years, my team and I have been buying houses in West Chester, and I'm going to share with you in this video why so many sellers prefer to work with us over a more traditional buyer that needs to qualify for a loan or use a mortgage to buy their house. So first and foremost, we're a direct buyer, and that means we're going to buy the house in its as-is condition. So you don't need to fix anything, you don't need to clean anything, and you don't need to haul anything away. And a typical conversation with the seller is you can take with you anything that you want out of the house. Anything you don't want or don't need, you simply can leave behind and we will take care of it for you. You don't need to put any work into the house. That means no trips to the Home Depot. You don't need to clean anything. No money out of your pocket, no handyman, nothing whatsoever. And what allows us to do that, what allows us to buy the house as is we are a true cash buyer. We're not using a mortgage or a loan. A traditional buyer using a mortgage and a loan, really, everything's relying on this lender. And the first thing they're going to do is send through a professional inspector. And it's kind of intrusive because they're going to test every single electrical outlet. They're going to test every ceiling fan and light switch. They're going to open and close all the doors and basically compile pages and pages of everything that's wrong with the house. And really that could only be used against you as the seller. That could only be used against you to get more extensions and take more time, and hopefully they come through for you, or maybe worse yet, try to get, negotiate a better deal for them, or, kind of take money off or get a discount or something like that. And then if you survive the inspection, it gets worse because now they got to send the appraiser through, and the appraiser could kill the whole deal. And if they do, then it sends you back to square one. You just wasted all this time, but it's not just time that you're wasting, it's money, because in real estate, every day that went by that they weren't able to close on your house, it's another day that you got to pay utilities and property taxes and insurance. There's just a lot of opportunity costs. So if you're looking to sell your house for a fair price and just alleviate yourself from all of that and just sell to a direct buyer, keep it very easy, give us a call at 614-300-5151 or visit us online at sellhousecolumbus.com. It says Columbus in the website name. We're founded in Columbus, but we buy houses in West Chester and really all over the Cincinnati area. So when we get on the phone, it's an easy conversation. We just need to know more about the house and then know more about your closing time frame. If you want to close quickly, we can make that happen. Or if you need more flexibility and we want to set a future date, we can do that as well. We're going to make you a fair cash offer on your house. If our offer works for you, great, we'll get it done. If our offer doesn't work for you, that's okay too. We're not going to pressure you and try to force you to sign something or anything like that. We're not a call center. We're here locally. We're going to treat you like a neighbor and treat you the way you should be treated. And that's what you get, the high pressure sales and stuff like that. That's from those call centers. A lot of those call centers, by the way, they might be sending you text messages and cold calling you and saying they want to buy your house. A lot of those are not even located in the United States. We're here in Ohio. So work with locals. We have hundreds of testimonials, reviews, and we have tons of credibility, and we're happy to share all this with you. But we're going to treat you right. If we can get something done, great. If not, that's okay too. So if you have a house in West Chester, give us a call at 614-300-5151 or visit us online at sellhousecolumbus.com. My name is Dave Perichin. I look forward to speaking with you, and I look forward to working with you.